Okay, good morning, folks. Today is Friday, November the 13th, and this is Manny Magoo. I wanted to post a quick video, the morning recap, and we had an absolutely phenomenal day yesterday, and I wanted to go over just a couple of the trades that were on our watch list from Sunday and the trades that we did take yesterday and what we're thinking of doing possibly today. So I want to dive right into it. I have a very busy day today. All right, the first is WorkHorse, WKHS. Folks, we've been waiting for this thing all week, and finally yesterday it did break. As you can see, this is my weekly candle, previous weeks of 11.2. The high is 19.19. We've been waiting for this. Finally it broke yesterday where we had an excellent day, up over almost close to 7% with WorkHorse on the break. And let me show it to you, folks. So here's the area. As you can see, 19.19. This is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. The gray areas here, this is pre-market and after hours. I do not trade pre-market and after hours, as you know, if you've been watching the videos. We did take the trade back on Monday, got out for a small profit, but after that, this 19.19 was massive resistance, as you can see. On Tuesday, it reached actually 19.20. It broke a little bit on Wednesday, but again, broke down again, and this was the day. Here it is, folks, Thursday, and we got in the trade. As you know, folks, I do not like trading the first 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes of the day, so I'm usually a little patient, but we did get in this trade at 9:40 a.m. on the break of 19.19, and it was off to the races. And as you can see, folks, once an area of resistance is broke, it should go. That's that. As long as it follows the rules, it should go. I'm not saying it's gonna go, but at the same time, it should go. We are still holding on to WorkHorse, and in pre-market, this is up to already $21.65. So it closed at $20.52. We are very excited. We'll see what happens today, folks. Just remember one thing, 19.19 is going to be support. You want to take some profit, okay? Don't let it get all the way back to 19.19 without taking any money. As a matter of fact, what I usually do, this is what I like to do, I look for a shorter term time frame. So I go to the 1 year daily chart. These are daily candles, okay? And I take a look at yesterday's high. Yesterday's high was 2079, and the close was 2052. So if it opens above this 2079 area or opens above 2052, I start looking for the next area of resistance, which would be that candle right there, the 1022 candle. That's $21.17. Okay, that's called a failure. So it tried to break out that day, and it failed at the high of 21.17 before it came back down. So keep that area in mind, okay? If it does reach there, chances are it's going to pull back, okay? So if you want to take some profits, it would be wise to do so, okay? Congratulations to those who took WorkHorse with me. We've been very patient, and you can see patience does pay. Next stock on our list, Moderna. We're still in Moderna. We got in Moderna not on the weekly break, but on the monthly break, okay? And what I'm going to do, and as you can see right here, I'm going to go to a monthly chart, okay? The previous month, which was October, the high was $81.37. So I love playing the weekly breaks and the monthly breaks. The monthly breaks have a lot more support and resistance than a weekly candle, okay? So keep that in mind, but let's go to a smaller term time frame so we can see. And here we have it. So that's it right there. This was Monday. As you can see, it gapped up in pre-market. It broke, went to the October high in pre-market, and then pulled back. Try to get there again the next day. Pulled back all the way to the support of the weekly high. As you can see, folks, this is very, very important. I keep telling everyone, you have to draw your lines, your horizontal lines on the weeklies. On the weekly high, the weekly low, the monthly high, the monthly low, okay? And every week that goes by, so for example, today's Friday, after the market closes, what do? I adjust my lines. I draw my highs on this week's high and low, okay? So we took the trade here on Wednesday. On the break of $81.37. It is currently at $87.81. Again, we are extremely happy with this trade. We're looking at almost a 10% return here shortly, and hopefully today it continues. It's already up to $88.50. But again, I don't usually like holding over the weekend unless I really, really feel confident in something. But again, there's nothing wrong with taking profit. This was, again, another successful trade, and congratulations to those who took it with me. Next is FSLY, Fastly. Okay. Again, I mentioned this yesterday morning in the video. We kept an eye on Fastly. This was on the watch list on Sunday, and as you can see, here's the weekly. It was an inside week. I love playing inside week breaks. The high is $75.06. We took this trade on Fastly, and let me show you where. Here we go. All right, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and here we have it. Okay. So as you can see, Fastly never broke Monday, never broke Tuesday, never broke Wednesday. We waited. Guess what, folks? Patience plays. It did break. I'm still in Fastly. It came back, as you can see. Now, the resistance, which was last week's high, became support. Okay? Now, when usually I get a nice break on a weekly high and I get into the trade, I usually keep it for a day or so. Okay? I want to see it play out. Again, knowing that on Fastly, $75.06, it will be the support now, okay? So you want to make sure we stay above that, and God forbid if it does break through the 75.06, I immediately get out, okay? It won't cost me anything to trade. I've identified my stop, and I've identified my support, and hopefully Fastly continues right now in pre-market. It's looking excellent, so I'm excited about that. Can't leave out my good old NIO. Let me get rid of this here so you guys can see it a little bit better, but oh, NIO. I love NIO. NIO has just been an absolutely amazing runner for us. Folks, we are up since October the 9th on NIO. Now, I posted in the room at the end of September, beginning of October, and I told as many people as I possibly could. We are up over 125% on NIO right now in 1 month. This is just absolutely amazing. Yesterday, we had another 12% run on this stock, and today it broke 50. It's currently at the 51-ish level. I must say, this has just been absolutely amazing. Congratulations to everyone that's still in this trade with me. We are doing absolutely phenomenal, and it's going to be a very Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Now, what are we looking at today? Well, the one I keep my eye on right now is DraftKings. Now, DraftKings reports this morning. I believe they report at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time earnings. So we have to wait to see what they're going to do. However, this is the area that I'm looking at. If I take a go to the weekly chart, the high of this week's candle $43.60. If it breaks $43.60 and it doesn't gap up in pre-market before that, earnings seem to be okay, chances are you will see me take the trade, okay? Again, knowing if it breaks 43.60, which is here, okay, 43.60 then becomes support. So please make sure you understand that, okay, and watch out for it. Okay, so if you take the break at 43.60 and it pulls back all of a sudden and it breaks that 43.60, there's nothing wrong with getting out. Okay, so again, this game's all about capital preservation, and it's important that we stay patient. Okay, as you can see, all this week I've been posting my videos. As you can see, I don't jump in just to anything. Okay, I take my time. Okay, one other that we did not take yesterday. I was managing already a couple positions and I wasn't able to take it. But for those of you that did, I did mention in the morning video, was Apple. Okay, Apple yesterday did break the weekly high of 119.62. For those who took Apple at 119.62, Apple did run to approximately 120.51, 120.53. But then it did pull back. Now, you could have taken profit, or you could have just waited and just to see if it would bounce off the support of the 119.63 area, 62 area, excuse me. But it didn't. It broke, and then it reclaimed it again, broke down again. In pre-market, it's above it. We'll see what happens today, with Apple. But again, my eyes are really on DraftKings, and I'm managing WorkHorse, I'm managing Moderna, NIO, and I'm managing Fastly right now. So I've got enough on the plate right now. Everything looks good so far. Folks, if you have any questions, have any concerns, feel free to reach out to me. You can comment below, or you can email me at hunterchasetrading@gmail.com. I'm here to help everyone. And if you could, I'd greatly appreciate it if you could subscribe to the channel. Okay? Well, anyhow, everyone, I wish and hope that you guys have a great day. Stay safe out there. And most importantly, have a great, great weekend. I will put my watch list out on Sunday, so stay tuned for that. I may have some new players in there that I want you to keep an eye on. Okay? Have a great day, folks.